request our respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, Primary in charge and our pre-primary in charge to come for lighting the lamp.
Good morning, dear parents. First of all, I would like to welcome all of you today on this special day of annual day for class KG. Now, as I see children today coming and confidently speaking over the mic, you know, it really makes me feel proud that they have really taken up a journey from where they started and now where they have come, and now they are going to venture into the primary wing. So from KG they are going to be graduated and they will be now going to all together a different journey that they are going to take. Now, as you all are aware, parents, that with so much of changes in the education system that is being coming on a daily basis, and especially when with the implementation of new education policy and the national curriculum framework which has come for school education, the dynamics have changed completely. It is not only about the bookish language that we speak, it is about what is the life learning that the child is taking place in the school. Because हमेशा हमें ये ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा पेरेंट्स की पढ़ाई के साथ साथ हमें ये बहुत ज़्यादा देखना पड़ेगा कि how a good human being our child is becoming. पढ़ाई बच्चे फिर भी करेंगे, कैसे भी करेंगे, they will do and they will excel in their own respective fields. But how good a human being they are, वो कितने अच्छे इंसान बन रहे हैं, ये हमारा फोकस जरूर होना चाहिए. Today while I was coming here, मैंने schools में many of you might be aware also that हमारे 10th and 12th की classes शुरू हो जाती हैं from the March itself, because उनका syllabus जल्दी खत्म करना होता है October में, and then we have revision schedules and everything. So in that process, parents, while I was coming, I saw many children today involved in the cricket. They were playing cricket. Few girls were playing kho-kho. Boys were playing some dodgeball or something. They were so all engaged. So whenever I interact with the children, I feel really happy, because जब मैंने उनसे पहले दिन interact किया था, I told them कि children, it would be very nice if you give me your targets and you let me know कि पूरा 10th जब आपका खत्म हो जाएगा या 12th खत्म हो जाएगा, so what are you aiming at? So I was so happy to see that the children have set targets for themselves, and not only they have set targets, but they have also decided on the future goals. Many were saying कि ma'am, we want to become musician, we want to go for cricket, we want to go for different sports, few wanted to become chefs. So they have got multiple and varied goals for themselves. And in that process, dear parents, it was so heartening and it was so soothing to see that the children are also now becoming so much aware. And the similar that we are willing for these young kids as well. So इसलिए बहुत ज़रूरी है पेरेंट्स कि घर पे आप जब इन बच्चों से बात करें तो at times apart from academics you should also discuss on the various career prospects, क्योंकि बच्चों का अगर एक focus right from this age बनता है, so that child really takes those things forward. And then we have examples in our country. मुझे सब कुछ बताने की जरूरत नहीं है. You know how we have people in varied fields. So in that process, dear parents, it's very crucial that we discuss about various career prospects, because आजकल career जो है, it has become divergent. अभी आपने देखा इतना अच्छा बच्चे बोल रहे हैं, they have sang so beautifully. You never know कल को इन्हीं में से हमारी कोई लता मंगेशकर निकल के आएगी. We never know. You know, so motivational speakers कितने हैं आजकल? We never know कि कल को हमारे ही कोई बच्चे motivational speaker बनेंगे for the world. So we have to train our children in that process. और उसी process को strengthen करने के लिए जो what you will be witnessing today is done by our team of teachers here in the school. So we try to strengthen, but definitely parents, collaboration is the need of the hour. आपका collaboration अगर हमारे साथ नहीं होगा, we will not be able to move forward. So it's very important that we both join hands and then move ahead for the success of our children. So once again, thank you so much, dear parents, for taking out the time. I know it's Monday, many of you have offices and everything, but still you have managed to take out time for your children, and I'm really grateful to you for this. And I hope that today we are going to witness a very beautiful show with Ek Chidiya and Ek Chidiya, the theme as they say. So let us witness, and thank you so much and welcome to the school. Thank you.
Little Wonder, आपके लिए are ready with a song to welcome you all. भाषा अनेक है सूरज एक, चंदा एक, तारे अनेक। तारों को अनेक भी कहते हैं। नहीं नहीं, देखो फिर से। सूरज एक, चंदा एक, एक करके तारे भये अनेक। ठीक से समझाना दीदी। देखो देखो एक गिलहरी, पीछे पीछे अनेक गिलहरियाँ। तितली एक और तितली, एक करके हो गई अब अनेक तितलियाँ। समझ गया दीदी? एक उंगली अनेक उंगलियाँ। हाँ दीदी दीदी, वो देखो अनेक चिड़िया। अनेक चिड़ियों की कहानी सुनोगे? हाँ हाँ। एक चिड़िया, एक एक करके अनेक चिड़िया। दाना चुगने आई चिड़िया। हमें भी सुनाओ ना। तो सुनो फिर से। एक चिड़िया, अनेक चिड़िया, दाना चुगने बैठ गई थी। हाय राम, और वहाँ व्याध ने एक जाल बिछाया था। व्याध कौन दीदी? व्याध चिड़िया पकड़ने वाला। फिर क्या हुआ दीदी? व्याध ने उन्हें पकड़ लिया, मार डाला। हिम्मत से अगर जुट रहे तो, छोटे हाँ पर मिल रहे तो, बड़ा काम भी होवे भैया, बड़ा काम भी होवे भैया। एक दो तीन। चतुर चिड़िया, सयानी चिड़िया, मिलजुल कर जाल लेकर भागी चिड़िया। दूर एक गांव के पास चिड़ियों के दो चूहे रहते थे और उन्होंने चिड़ियों का जाल काट लिया। तो देखा फिर तुमने, अनेक सिर्फ एक हो जाते हैं